I love holding Ali up on her nest here. Because she always acts like, oh my god, what's going on? Why's the nest all of a sudden moved? And is like hovering above everything. And she always pokes her head out over the sides, usually, and looks over. But she's done that. Because I've had her out for a few minutes. Oop. She's sitting on her eggs. Dummies. You know what I mean? It's like she likes looking over the side, realising how high up she is. But you know I've got you. Not gonna drop you. Gotta have her hold up our nest though until she decides to get off of it and have a poo somewhere. So I can go and chase after her and make sure she doesn't poo on something important. Because I haven't had her out for about a day. Well, yeah, about 24 hours. Because I was busy last night and went away. I love it when they check their eggs as if somehow they're not going to be there. Yet they still feel them. See, you got two. Yep, you still got two. It's almost like she's wanting to show it off. You know, when they do that, as if she knows that there's a camera focusing on her. Either that, or if she's showing off to me out of pride, maybe. Anyway, hope you're having a lovely day. Goodbye, sweetie.